Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. My name is Connor. In this video, I want to go over a review of a video I made 3 weeks ago in regards to my overall macro thesis on this current market cycle. I want to discuss where we are right now and what I see playing out for the remainder of this year. So let's get right into the video. So in this video I made 3 weeks ago, just after the huge flash crash that we saw on August 5th, when Bitcoin reached a low price of $49,000, I made that video saying that there's no reason to panic and we're still in a bull market cycle. And a lot has kind of happened from that August 5th crash. Bitcoin made a nice recovery, pushed back up to 64K, and now we are sitting at $60,000. There's a lot of fear, doom, and gloom still out there. A lot of people still calling for lower prices, saying we're going to the low 40s. Some clowns out there may be calling for the 20,000s and 30,000s. If anybody's calling for that, I would completely disregard their opinion. However, with the low 40,000s, again, it's possible the yearly open sitting here untagged at 42,000, but there's a low probability chance of that happening. But of course, don't invest more than you can afford to lose, and be prepared. Have some money on the side in case we do see a huge crash to $42,000. But the reason why I say that there's a low probability chance of that happening is because of what's going to happen in a few months' time on November 5th, the presidential election, right, between Trump and Kamala Harris. Pretty even odds according to Polymarket, but there's been some speculation that they rigged these polls, and it's kind of obvious that the polls are rigged. Regardless, Harris would be bearish crypto if she won the presidency. Trump, very pro-crypto. But we're in a very crucial time just before the election. It doesn't make sense for the markets to crash, crypto, stocks, commodities, everything. It doesn't make sense to have a huge crash just before the election. Why is that? Because parties are battling each other and they want to win the election. And if the market crashes, it's going to have a very negative sentiment for, say, the current presidency, which is, the Harris and the Biden campaign, whatever you want to call them. So there's a pretty decent chance that we don't see anything drastic, any drastic crashes before the election. So again, yearly open down here, 42K, does not need to get tapped. All right, there's no reason that it should, no reason that it shouldn't. Otherwise, it's just a key level on the chart. Now, in regards to the local price action, what I see happening from here, I'm bullish. I do lean on the bullish side now, so I'm looking for a push-up back to $68.5 thousand. We flip that, and we're right back into the all-time high territory. Again, it's very crucial timing right now. This election is in 2 months' time, give or take, right? The month of August is about to close. And with that, typically, I've said this before, around 40 days before the date of the event, in this case, the election, that's when the market starts to pick up. That would be mid to late September, around September 20th, which is in around 3 weeks' time. So maybe we chop around for 3 weeks. Maybe we see some tests of the lows at around 55, 54, right? If we look on the daily time frame, we do have a pretty key level, the 100 simple moving average, or 300 simple moving average, my mistake. Right at 56K right now. Let's go ahead and put this on the screen so you can see it. Right, here we go, right at $56,170. It's slowly climbing every single day. But this 100 simple moving average did act as support in the August 5th crash. And this is the most crucial support below right now at 56,100. Possible we revisit that, we chop around, but again, I'm bullish. Watch for a push up to 68.5K. And from there, it's really nothing until new all-time highs. All right, so that's my outlook on Bitcoin as it stands right now. More chop. Watch for that push to 68.5, and then we fly. Now, in regards to some of the coins I've been talking about on video recently, we have Tau. And Tau, I made the video on 2 or 3 days ago saying watch for the monthly open area, the August monthly open, and that's at $302. And we did get the drop. At the time of that video recording, the price was around $330. We did get the drop to around $292. All right, so just as stated in that video on Tau, watch for the move to the monthly open. We got it, and let me zoom into this local time frame so that you can see. just make it a bit cleaner for you all. We have a descending wedge. All right, we have the top, which is currently breaking through, and we have the bottom here. So let me just clean this chart up. All right, so we're breaking out of a descending wedge locally, reclaiming the monthly open in August. But this trend line as well, if we go to the daily time frame, that's just connected to the all-time highs. With the first touch point right here, connected. As you can see, we broke out above that, and we're basically kind of just battling, retesting this level here right at the August monthly open. So for Tau, again, the NVIDIA earnings just came out yesterday. They came out positive, but the fund managers and the big money, they're going to shift their positions. A lot of stuff going on with options. So we're going to get an answer in regards to NVIDIA and AI in general by the end of this week. It's Thursday right now. But as far as Tau goes, I mean, this is the level, right? We trade the plan here. The plan was to wait for the monthly open. We're at the monthly open. So one of two things are going to happen. We're either going to explode from here, or it's just not ready to break out yet. And if it's not ready to break out yet and we reject the August monthly open, then the scenario is in play where we go test some lower levels. Main what I would be watching, quarterly open at 270, and also this demand zone over here, $250. Tau is a very bullish coin. One of the best, if not the best AI coins on the market. My top pick for that narrative. And this is a no-brainer play heading into the cycle. So I wanted to go over that one. We also have Telegram, which I've been covering here on the channel. And looking at Telegram, I said I was bullish. And as you can see, it has not broken down. A lot of people probably shorting this expecting $4. But like I said in that last video, the whales and the founder, Pavel Durov himself, hold the majority of the coins. Why would they sell? All right. And as you can see, the price is holding very, very steadily. And I wouldn't be surprised to see this thing make a comeback back towards $6.70. We also covered dogs, and we were bullish on dogs. We got that breakout as discussed in the last video. Congratulations to anybody who took this trade. Really nice move here. 39%, so not too shabby at all. Definitely be sure to pay yourself, especially if you are on perps. But all in all, I'm leaning bullish. Again, election is in November. No reason for the powers that be to crash the market before the election. Maybe we get a scare, but I think the best thing to do right now is to be positioned bullishly, positioned for higher, and that's just what I'm expecting here. Anyways, quick video update. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. So in this video, we covered my overall macro outlook for the remainder of this year in regards to the crypto market. Again, election is in November, huge event. Usually that narrative starts to kick in around 40 days beforehand. In this case, that's around September 20th. We have 3 weeks until that time. Direction is up, in my opinion. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you let me know by smashing that like button down below. And if you're brand new to the channel and you aren't subscribed yet, be sure to smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all bell notifications so you don't miss any future videos. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire. I'll see you in the next video.